His Excellency Dr. Saeed Ali, Deputy Minister of Environment and Climate Change, Somalia. His Excellency Muhammad Bulel, Deputy Minister of Health and Human Services, Federal Republic of Somalia. His Excellency Dr. Abdurrahman Kelly, Director of Animal Health and Veterinary Services, Ministry of Livestock, Forestries and Range. Dear United Nations partners and supporters and funders of Global Health, One Health, Dr. Samuel, the World Organization of Animal Health for East Africa, Dr. Malik, the World Health Organization, Somalia, Dr. Ethni, Food and Agriculture Organization, Somalia, dear Dr. Farah Isa, the first presenter of the scientific presentation of this series of webinars, dear all One Health leaders and presenters and researchers and participants who join us today and those who will join us during the next webinar series, inshallah. All protocols observed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon here and there, and maybe good morning somewhere. First of all, on behalf of Abrar University, I would like to thank you all for joining us and participating in this series of webinars. I would also like to congratulate the organizing committee for opening this One Health style event, showing the multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, and convergence between community, decision makers, institutions, and scientists from different disciplines. On behalf of the One Health research community of Somalia, represented by Abrar University, it gives me a great pleasure to be with you today and to welcome you at Abrar University, sharing and discussing with you one of the vision of Abrar University for health education and health awareness in Somalia. You are so welcome to effectively participate and to review and also to witness the promising recovery of Somalia from decades of collapse through engaging with the global health using One Health approach. After initiation of One Health concept in research and in education, almost all people agree that human health or even health care providing could not be achieved far from the health of his far from the human health and his surrounding environment. And as mentioned before, surrounding environment includes all animal, plants, food, water, and even the air we breathe. Speaking about One Health in research and education, I am glad to see International Livestock for Research Institution and University of Liverpool, University of Kent, Heidelberg University participating in this webinar. I should also recognize the efforts of Ohio State University. They really go high in the field of One Health education. I mean, the Global One Health initiative. At Abrar University, we believe on One Health approach because One Health concept almost address the whole United Nations 17 life-changing goals. I mean, the Sustainable Development Goals. Therefore, at Abrar University, we established the first Somali One Health Center, and we also organized the first International Somali One Health Conference in March 2022. We initiate the institutionalization of One Health in Somalia, and this is one of the events including that. We celebrate also WHA Health Days, and we also celebrate One Health Day. Moreover, we organize these kind of One Health webinars, and we are now preparing for the second Somali One Health Conference to be in March 2024. By these activities or doing these activities in Abrar University, if Ohio State University go high, Abrar University is recommended to go so high. I mean, to go Somali One Health initiative. Allow me to take this opportunity to thank Imam Al-Shafi'i Foundation for the founder of Abrar University for understanding, supporting, and funding the cost of these activities. and also to thank the Abrar University members for working so high on this vision. Allow me to remind you that institutional, national, international, and academic collaboration and sharing information, networking between different disciplines is the distinguished recommendation for better human health, and as extracted from several One Health meetings. And this event is one of the best ways to do so in Somalia. It was one of the Somali Health Historical Days when governors, institutions, and scientists met in Nairobi and shortlisted the zoonotic diseases in Somalia and then prioritized 7 of them for urgent action. Abrar University encouraged Somali One Health Center to take the initiative of the first action by having you here all together through a series of webinars targeting the following objectives. We want to provide evidence-based policy and decision-making on human health in Somalia, considering the surrounding environment or as the source of infestation or infection, or even the mental health as well. We also want to address the top 7 prioritized zoonotic diseases in Somalia to be considered in students and researchers' proposals for national and for international research grants. Then we also want to increase the Somali community awareness about public health, environmental health, and zoonotic diseases in Somalia. At these webinars, we will be hearing for 7 opening remarks, speakers, including governors, United Nations health partners, and 7 experts, specialists, and researchers from different continents, Africa, Asia, and Europe, on these 7 prioritized zoonotic diseases in Somalia, including today when we are going to hear to listen to Dr. Farah, going to explain to us the process of the zoonotic disease prioritization in Somalia. Your presence and your presentation and your discussion and your questions and your suggestions is the most valuable support that we could ever have to improve this work and to achieve the above mentioned objectives. Let us always come together for some time for better life and healthy life we need for Somalia and for the globe. Speaking about coming together and speaking about One Health activities in Abrar University, I would like to borrow your attention, please. It is just an important announcement from Abrar University, Somalia, because after the witness success and great achievement of our first Somali One Health conference in March 2022, Abrar University would like to take this opportunity to officially announce the second Somali One Health conference. The second Somali One Health conference will take place in Mogadishu, as I would like to say, the bride of the Indian Ocean, during 3rd to 5th of March 2024. And you are all officially invited. Please save the date and share it with your colleagues and your co-authors for early abstract submission. A warm welcome again, and thank you everyone for joining us today and during the next 6 monthly Wednesdays. And I wish we will see you all in the bright of the ocean, Mogadishu, during our second One Health conference on 3rd to 5th March 2024. And thank you.